Meltblown technology is a cost-effective method of producing fabrics with very fine fibre diameters and very high surface area.
Applications include air and liquid filtration, as well as hygiene products. But during the COVID-19 pandemic, the value and demand spiked due to increased usage of PPE such as face masks and surgical gowns.
In meltblowing process, thermoplastic resins are melted in an extruder, passed through a die, and then forced by hot air towards the conveyor belt.
The properties of a meltblown fabric come from the fact that they have very fine filaments. So when the fabric is made, those very fine filaments attach together and create a very fine pore structure. And those small pores is what allows it to be a good filter.
Physical and structural properties of meltblown fabrics can be tailored by modifying processing parameters, but also non-woven fabrics can be combined with other materials and this way form a composite structure.
Some of the major developments are driven by sustainability, the increased use of chemically recycled thermoplastic polymer, bio-derived polymers as well. Finally, the busy area is around what I call custom master batches to add additional multifunctional properties to the material.
This facility will help us to develop the next generation of innovative meltblown fabrics, ensuring fast speed to market and commercial viability for our clients.